Are you a senior high school student looking for a brighter future for yourself? Are you interested in the field of engineering and the endless possibilities it holds? Then look no further than CIT University.
Our Electrical Engineering department offers a comprehensive education that prepares students for a dynamic and exciting career in a rapidly growing field.
Our world-class facilities and expert faculties provides hands-on training with the latest equipment and technology, giving our students the practical skills they need to succeed.
Our graduates are making a difference in the world, working on projects that shape the future and benefit society.
With a degree from CIT University's Electrical Engineering department, you can join them and take your place as a leader in the field.
Don't wait. Take a first step toward an exciting and fulfilling career in electrical engineering. Enroll now at CIT University. The power to create is in your hand.